everyone, welcome back. Today I just have a quick update for you. We finally got our laminate flooring in on Friday and got it installed on Friday as well. I didn't record any of that because it's fairly straightforward. As long as you follow the instructions that come with your laminate flooring, you'll be able to put it together no problem at all. It only took us about 3 hours, and it was our first time laying laminate flooring, and we took our time and had fun with it. The only tools I needed was the table saw to cut the laminate to length at the ends and split the width when we got to our final wall. And I used a scrap piece of 2x4 and a hammer to set the laminate together whenever it was being a little difficult and didn't want to connect properly. So now that we've got that done, we can finally get our compound miter saw together and start setting up our tools in here. If you look behind me here, I've got this piece of plywood, and I've got two of these cobalt sawhorses. They have little slots in the ends of them so you can set a 2x4 in them. So I'm going to put one on each end up against this wall for now and cut this down lengthwise to size and screw it down to the boards that are going to be sitting inside this sawhorse. The legs are adjustable so we can get the proper working height, and that's going to be our temporary miter saw station / workbench until we can get a workbench built. But I want to get something set up right now so we can start working and start on our first project, which will be starting this weekend and will be available for you guys either at the end of the weekend or beginning of next week. So we're still really looking forward to that. And if you guys want any more tool haul videos, like I showed you the big tool haul with the big tools from Black Friday, and you want to know what's going on over here and what's going on over here, just let me know in the comments or go to my Facebook page and find this video's post and let me know on there. Until then, you guys have a good day. We'll see you next time.